आंखों में डूबना चाहूं, तेरी ही यादों में सोना मैं पाऊं.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Ben 10. I hope you are fine. In today's video, I will give you CapCut Pro. As you know, CapCut users have facing no internet-like issues, but today I will give a version in which you didn't face any issue. So let's start. Here is CapCut Pro, so I'll check does it work or not. Let's open it. Here we go, new UI. Skip this, as you can, template's also working. Let's make a project. Let's add some effects. If the effects loads fast, see no issues. Double check filters also. See, no issues anymore. We can also enhance this video. It's taken some time, so please patience. As you can see, it's done. We can also export our videos up to 4K. That's it for today. If you want this version, you have to join my Telegram channel. Link is in description. Also check my other social media.